Good morning. Welcome to the live. I'm sorry for starting a little bit late. Just had to put in a little bit more work into the stocks that I want to talk to you about this morning. So this morning I'm going to start with the elephant in the room, which is MetaPlatform, also known as Facebook. They had a not very good quarter, and just listening to Jim Cramer and the CNBC Investment Club, and he think it is because of they still didn't really do any layoff. So that could be one of the major reasons why Meta platform is down. So I mean Meta could be an opportunity where I say wait, because let me just pull up the stock of Meta and we could kind of discuss it a little bit. So it's at 100. That stock used to be in the 250. It keep dropping, and normally after a quarter, what normally happen is companies, they don't just have one day of reporting, they have many days. So I think tomorrow, if I have to buy, I may wait until tomorrow and maybe try to get that stock under $100, and it's almost under $100. But just keep in mind that you may have to wait a little while before you see any profit. I mean, most likely maybe by next year when they report, I think that 2023 would be better and you would see some improvement into the stock. So I just wanted to talk to you guys briefly about that. Say it's the elephant in the room. It's the stock that has dropped the most. As we know, tech, it's really hard for tech right now. So we have seen some tech stock come down. We have seen stock like Alphabet comes down. Even though we have Nvidia, which I will talk about in a minute, we have seen a lot of these stocks come down, so just be careful. But there's another stock that I would definitely want to talk to you about just in a minute. They had a tremendous quarter, and the company, it is Ford. It is a company that it's not a bad company to buy because it's a cheaper stock. It has a 3.5 dividend. So Ford is a good company to invest in. They're doing a lot of great things. So consider adding Ford at 12.93 to your portfolio. They had a good quarter last time, and now they're having another tremendous quarter. So guys, consider buying some Ford. All right, guys. So that could be a great stock to get into. There's a couple of stocks that we will definitely talk about, but I just wanted to get Ford, and I want to talk about this company. It's called Linde. I'm gonna just pull up Linde here for you guys so we could have a discussion about Linde. They're doing a lot of medical gas. Like the gases that's in the hospitals and so forth, but it also does with industrial gas also. But that company has a lot of German exposure, and this is the reason why the company is dropping. But they also had a great quarter. So Linde, not a bad company to get into, does not give a high dividend as the rest of the oil and gas company. But Linde, another company you could keep your eyes on, and another company like you should be watching if you're considering buying those companies. So, guys, moving along. Tonight we have some companies reporting. We have Apple reporting tonight, and we have Amazon reporting tonight. I don't want to give any expectation. We know tech has been down. I mean, as Jim Cramer always say, Apple, don't trade it, only don't trade it. So if the quarter is not good, that could be an opportunity for you guys to get into Apple tonight. Amazon, I do have some shares in my company. If it doesn't report a great quarter and Amazon fall, I would definitely take the opportunity to buy some of that. We also have tonight, we have one of my favorite company, Pioneer Natural Resources. That's an oil and gas company that gives a very high dividend, guys. So they give like 15% dividend. I think they're the highest dividend in the S&P. So please look out for these earnings, guys. And if you're on my Patreon, I do share a lot of information over there. So consider joining my Patreon. Anyway, guys, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe, guys. And see you tomorrow at 11:30 where we do another live.